Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Regional rating agency Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services Limited has moved its outlook for the JN Group from stable to negative. In a release, Carrie Chris says the negative outlook is based on the Jamaica National Group's subsidiaries reporting losses for 2 consecutive years. It says this loss position is expected to persist over the next 12 months, but at a lower level. The ratings of the holding company reflect its good market position in Jamaica, with subsidiaries in the United States, United Kingdom, and the Caribbean. Carrie Chris says those JN subsidiaries continue to provide diverse income streams and support. The rating agency says the outlook could improve with an expansion of the group's product and service offerings and/or improvements in operating efficiency. MFS Capital Partners Limited has advised that the company has successfully completed the 100% acquisition of Microfinancing Solutions Limited. The transaction, which was first announced at the end of 2022, was finalized in time for the close of the company's third quarter on March 31, 2024. This transaction marks the first major deal executed since the company was acquired in 2022 and subsequently renamed. Microfinancing Solutions is now the flagship operating entity in the company's portfolio. During trading on April 10, 2024, the top 3 advancing stocks covered the finance, technology, and energy sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Limited JMD shares advanced by 15% for a $12.37 price increase to close at $94.86 with 100 shares traded. T-Tech Limited shares advanced 10.95% for a 22-cent price growth to close at $2.23 with 7 shares traded. QWI Investments Limited shares advanced 10% for a 7-cent bump in price to close at 77 cents with 6,640 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on April 10, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the investment, microfinance, and manufacturing sectors. Lasco Financial Services Limited declined by 18.42% for a 35-cent price slippage to close at $1.55 with 57,232 shares traded. Blue Power Group Limited declined by 13.08% or a 42-cent price drop to close at $2.79 with 18,519 shares traded. Epley Limited declined by 9.95% for a $3.98 price drop to close at $36.02 with 6,286 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 10, 2024, registered a volume of 161,745 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $2,259,323.47 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 77,673 shares, changing hands for a value of TT $339,611.37, followed by Trinidad and Tobago NGL Limited with a volume of 14,747 shares being traded for $119,464 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 83 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 10, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $81 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $85.1 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, Foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.69 and bought the US dollar for $154.29. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.64, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.42 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.63 and bought for $113.21. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.13, selling it for $195.89 and buying it for $193.76. For our credit report tip of the day, diversify your credit portfolio. Cultivate a diverse mix of credit accounts to strengthen your credit profile. This could include a combination of credit cards, installment loans, and mortgage accounts. By demonstrating responsible credit management across various types of credit, you enhance your credit worthiness and position yourself for favorable lending terms in the future. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.